Hi everyone, in this video we're going to explore how to install and set up the Canvas student app on an iOS device. This tutorial is for students who are affiliated with the TCS Education System, which include the institutions Saybrook University, the Chicago School of Professional Psychology, Pacific Oaks College, and Santa Barbara and Ventura Colleges of Law. I'm using an iPad Pro, but the interface should be the same or similar on other iPads and iPhones as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the App Store, and I'm going to search for Canvas Student. The Canvas Student app will be the first item to appear on the search page. So download that and open it. The app will ask you to find your school. When you click on that button, you're going to type in TCS Education System. If you type in TCS, then TCS Education System will appear among the list. If it doesn't appear, then just keep typing the entire TCS Education System. From this page, you can log on using your credentials. These will be the same credentials that you use to access your student portals or gateways or the library and other institutional platforms. From here, you'll have access to your classes and course materials.